Welcome to Sister J World. Big man, big woman, boys and girls. Welcome to Sister J World. Tune in to the channel if you want to learn. Sister J World full of beer vibes. If you watch when she premiere in live, everybody have to just get in the vibes. Like, comment and please subscribe. Sister J World, that me.
So here are the beets I'll be using. I'll be using some yellow beets, some striped beets, and some purple beet. I'll be steaming the beet, then I blend it. Because the beet will be losing some of the nutrient in the water, I'll be using that water to do the blending. So here is a rundown of the other stuff I'll be using along with the beets. I'll be using Supligen, seamoss. I'll also be using nutmeg, cinnamon, sweetened condensed milk, and some vanilla essence. So now I'm going to put the beet in the blender. And then I'll be adding the liquid to the blender. So that's the liquid that comes from the steamed beet.